Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Golang recoil patterns. So today this is just 58 lines of source code. Most of it revolves around changing these four variables in this for loop. So there's not much code here. If you don't want to copy down very much, you can kind of cheat a little bit by setting these 4 pixels here with this set function. This function is pretty simple. We take an image and an XY coordinate and we set up 4 pixels. Alright, so here in the main function we have these 3 lines here that set up an image that ultimately goes to a PNG encode function. But mostly what I wanted to talk to you today about these 4 variables here. So like, as a gamer, I've always kind of wanted to just generate my own recoil patterns and that kind of thing. So magazine size, that's pretty straightforward. These 2 variables here change the angle. So if we wanted to look at what these 4 variables do here, you can see we have a very angular recoil pattern. So first of all, PNG coordinates are flipped upside down, so if you wanted to, you could just rotate this twice. You can kind of look at this, how it would look in a video game. So this pulls up and to the left pretty stably, I'd say. That's a pretty tight cone of fire. So if we wanted to make this a little bit shakier, you might half this. And this is all based on randomness, so we start spreading out. I'd say you probably want to stop shooting about right here. You can see this is a lot less shaky. We might want to run some more tests with some more drastic variables just to kind of see the difference. So here, here the shakiness really actually did the opposite of what I expected. Here, if we try to set this to a higher value, let's say like 40, here this is an extremely tight recoil pattern. Here I actually wrote down the note higher means less shaky. Okay, so here we have a very tight recoil pattern. Then there's these 2 other variables, which if we flip, we can see we get a completely different angle. So this is much more vertical. So if we wanted to make this even more vertical, we would increase this variable here. You can see this is almost a completely straight up and down recoil pattern. So then if we wanted to change it and make it much more horizontal, we might flip those thusly. And here we are, an almost horizontal, almost perfectly horizontal recoil pattern. Alright, thanks for watching this video and have a great day.